goddamn mind.
Because you're the main character, and like, because obviously you control, it's you're controlling this person.
Unfortunately.
So, a lot of shooting games, the AI, the computer enemy, will just shoot your character and ignore all your teammates. And you look at it thinking like, oh well, my teammate's the closest person to it, he's probably got that person covered, and then nope, herp-a-derp, herp-derp-derp, you get killed by the enemy team because they're all targeting you.
Grubs! Oh yeah!
There you go.
Nice.
Fucking wretches sorted out. Oh, what a lovely shot that was. And that one. Going headshot happy.
Multiple contact!
Whoops, that was a terrible shot. Look at these guys. Jesus. One more of them charged with that guy, I would have died. Got that guy. Nice drag scope.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah. Corpse up.
There's no going back. There, we've got a corpse. Damn, that explains the earthquake. Okay, we're on our way.
Corpse, oh no, big spider. Ooh. That's the sound it made. Saying, hello, unlawful exile. Do I go this way? Can't remember. Yep, it's this way. I don't remember how to do this bit, so it might have taken me a couple of tries. Look at it, spider. Look at its butt. It's nasty. Yeah, I don't remember how to do this bit. There's no point shooting it like that. Which Dom just does straight away. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Calm down. Ah, that's how you do it. Okay, I remember. Now you're in trouble, because now I remember. Once you know how to do it, it's really easy. See? Just keep doing that. And you go like that. And like that. And it's done. Easy. One of the easiest boss fights ever, but this cutscene makes Marcus look like a total badass. Badass powers activate in about 5 seconds, 5-10 seconds. Look at him. He's so cool. He's like, fuck you. Nice! That's exactly what he's thinking right now.
Ah, just in time.
Yeah, just in time to kiss my ass.
Man, I can't believe we missed this. Cole, you still got the resonator? Booted, suited, and ready to get executed. And the time?
5:15.
Sun's coming up soon. Let's move.
Yeah, exactly. You might miss your favourite morning programme if we don't hurry up. Let's go. And you didn't even put it onto record. Dick move number 1, not putting your favourite morning programme onto record. Well done, Marcus. Oh, almost at the end of the level anyway. There's the... Nope, that's not it. It's around here somewhere. It looks so pretty.
Whoa. Look at all that juice.
Hey, Marcus. How much do you think all that emulsion's worth?
I don't think I can count that high.
Yeah, Marcus can't count to 10. Look, there's the gay bar. There's the gay club pumping station. We're here. Everyone got your wristbands? Otherwise we won't get in. Talk bow. Do I want a talk bow? Nah, I think I'll stick with my sniper rifle. Don't worry, you'll see what the talk bow is. I'm sure it'll kill me like 2 or 3 times like it normally does.
There it is.
Okay, here's a plan. Dom, we're going straight in. Cole, Baird, you two flank right and provide support. Above all, protect that resonator. You got it?
Got it.
You got it.
Yep. Let's do this.
You hear that? What the hell's that sound?
It's just the wind.
Yeah, right. When's the last time the wind said hostiles to you?
Look at that guy. He's so pro.
Those aren't drones.
Oh, shit. Looks like they upgraded.
They're called Theron guards.
You think they know what we're doing?
Well, we're not here to sell cookies. So they know something's up.
Where is he?
Let's clear that station.
Dude, this is where all the enemies start coming out and I'm not running out and getting torque bowed like a donut. Oh, he ducked. Oh, little bitch. Look at him go.